Hello.
Hi,
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You can see me or not, but I can see you.
Okay, okay, thank you. Let's start your project. At first, share your
Yes.
screen, please.
Yeah, my
Chat.
screen.
Yes,
Wait,
yes.
okay,
Mute
where do
video.
I go? I can't, I don't know.
Share your
Is that
screen, please.
okay?
Share now
Share the
option.
screen.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Okay.
okay.
Click here.
I see it. I see share. Do I press the share button? Uh, I see mute start video.
No, no, mute, no. Share screen. Share screen. Mute, stop video,
Share
security, participant chat. Now you click share screen.
participants. Uh, hold on. Screen is. I don't know what I did. I see your screen, yes.
Yes. Okay. 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 Okay.
Oh, you want to access my channel?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I think you wanted me to share my screen. I don't have a laptop. I'm only using a cell phone.
Okay. Okay. Just few minutes. At first, you going to your
All right.
YouTube. YouTube.
Uh-huh.
YouTube. Wait. Clear.
Okay.
Clear. Okay.
Yes.
Click here. Click here. And then you see YouTube Studio. Click here.
Yes.
Then settings.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Then settings and then permission. Permission.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Permission. And then invite it. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then
Yes.
email. My email
Uh-huh.
send you. So after the finish your meeting, I send my email. Okay.
All right.
Okay. And access is say access
Uh-huh.
and drop
Uh-huh.
down arrow click here. Then is
Yeah.
manager select and done. Clear.
All right.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you.